Let's see what the old 6.0 does this morning. 07 F250. We're here in Tennessee and it's 10 degrees right now. It probably got down to 4 or 5 overnight. It's about as cold as it usually ever gets here. So we'll cycle the plugs one time and see what she does. If I can get a place to set my phone. Well, not having much luck finding a spot here. It hadn't been plugged up. I've never plugged this truck up because I hadn't even dug out my block heater cord. Never even pulled it out of the truck, so it usually starts really good when it's cold. I can't get a spot. Let me find something here. Got some bricks right over here. Maybe I can stand one of those up. Of course, they're frozen solid. Ouch. Maybe. There's the old 6.0. Pretty good if you ask me.